What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Stef ABtv. Now behind me an M240i. You think, well, okay, M240i, but what's special about this one? Well, this is car 001 Motech Edition, and it looks absolutely stunning. Have a look at this. Well, what do you guys think? I mean, from a visuals, this looks mega. And of course, who you all love. Hello, Mike.
Oh, hi, buddy.
Hello, buddy. How are you? I'm very well. How's it going?
Yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Talk to me. I do, mate. I mean, what have you guys created?
Well, you did a review on Nor's car, number 1.
Yeah.
You want to put a link now?
Yeah. Nor's car will be up there somewhere.
So you did a review on that one. So we've been doing these editions through TRL, TRL deals, Berry BMW. This is car number 1 of the 2 series. We've been trying for about 5 months now to try and do the 2 series.
Yeah.
We keep selling 1 series.
Yeah.
Which is not a problem. The 1 series is going to carry on.
Yeah.
As you know, in the corner there, we've got car number 27.
Yeah, we'll do a quick show of that in a bit.
Yep, so we've got that one. But we wanted to do something different. Now, this year the M2 competition pack car's launched. So it's really tricky because price point in the M2 is now slightly higher than the previous car, the M55 engine. So there's a market for doing these now.
Yeah.
And we tried, there's a lot of thought gone into this without sounding weird. It's not buying an M2 and putting bits on, 240 I should say, and putting bits onto it. Yeah. Even down to the colour. So this year the M2 got launched in 2 new colours, Hockenheim Silver, Sensor Orange. People aren't probably going to be specking white M2s. Yeah. They want the latest and greatest.
Yeah,
so this makes it its own individual car.
It does. I mean, mate, the front end on that looks so aggressive. So I mean, talk me through. So what is part of the Motech package, if you like?
So on this particular car, we'll start from front to back.
Yeah. So let's walk and talk.
Yeah,
show me. Let's do it. Let's show the viewers.
Okay. So we have the carbon splitter.
Yeah.
Bit of a GTS sort of style.
Yeah.
On the M4 GTS, we wanted something that's quite aggressive. Obviously got the brake cooling ducts as well. Yeah. So that's quite neat. Black grills. Yeah. They don't come with these as standard. Can you believe it? It's on the 1s, not on the 2s.
They should. All BMW cars should come with black grills.
Definitely. We tried to add a little bit of detail in it. So we've had the bars wrapped in white.
You've got the bar. That looks really nice. Yeah. That's really, really good.
A little bit of detail, and also the fins here we've had done in satin. They're normally ferric grey.
Yeah. And this is all, is it, so those 2 bits, are they part of the deal? Yeah.
I mean, obviously, if you've got an orange car, we're not going to wrap them.
Yeah.
We just probably leave them black.
Yeah.
On a white car. Now there's talks of maybe just doing them only in white. Yeah. It depends. If someone wants an Estoril blue or black one, we're not going to say no. But the launch colour is white. Yeah. Of course, normal pipe across filter. Yeah. Carbon M3 style, M4 style wing mirror covers.
Yeah, well, let's have a look at them.
They're really nice. They just these, like I say, it's only individual.
These look great. These look so good as well. Carbon fibre wing mirror covers. That looks amazing. And you said, sorry, pipe across intake as well. Isn't
panel
that?
Filter.
Panel filter. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah.
The intake's coming soon, actually.
Oh, intake. Yeah, exclusive.
Exclusive as well.
Exclusive.
This has the signature drop, so it's 25mm at the front, 20 at the rear, 12 and 50mm spacers, so it's the Motech stance setup. Yeah. And this is a similar stance you do to the 140 as well. Exactly the same spring kit. Underneath the car is exactly the same.
Great, yeah.
On this car here, we put custom side graphics on.
Yeah, I noticed.
Now they are a version of the BMW ones, but we've tethered them down slightly here, so slightly lower point here to make it look more rear biased. Yeah. You know. And
of course, doing it right. Get that in there. Exactly. So and I guess we probably should just to prove this is the first. Yeah. There it is. And now I'm plugging Joe Achilles, but hey, he's my mate, so it's all good.
Yeah, Joe hasn't even seen the car yet.
Has he not?
No, not at this point. He's seen it this afternoon. I'll take it in a minute.
Joe, I saw it before you.
Yeah. Normal sort of things. These have a blue stop-start button and Motech Edition on the dashboard. Yeah. Little add-ons. You know, these don't come with the carbon roof, so we've done the carbon aerial cover.
Very nice, very nice.
Little bits just to make it a little bit different.
Yeah.
Rear spoiler is a good talking point.
Yes.
BMW obviously do their quite nice flick, but this actually is the M4 style.
Okay.
So it's got the dimples in the middle, just to give it a bit more of an aggressive sort of look, especially from the bar behind.
It does. It gives it that little bit more aggression from the rear. Yeah. It looks good. Look at that.
It looks good. The
It is good.
As well, so
Yeah, the weave. No, it's
true weave as well. So it's a nice thicker stuff.
This is very nice. Yeah. So Remus exhaust doing it right.
Done a different tailpipe on this one. So the other one on the 140s is the full carbon.
Yeah.
Well, this one you have the option, and we almost didn't want to do the full carbon because I didn't want it to be like it was predictable. It wanted to be its own 2 series.
Yeah.
It's got the gloss black tailpipes with the carbon inlay.
Yeah.
So it works with the wheels being gloss black, and then the carbon matches obviously the carbon inlay.
Yeah.
So it ties it all in together.
Yeah. This car just looks absolutely stunning. Absolutely. And the important thing as well, because obviously people are going to buy these new, you keep things like warranty and all that kind of stuff, don't you? So it's part of a package.
The parts, obviously, we had our own warranty to all the parts.
Yeah.
And everything else is still with the dealer warranty.
Yeah.
It is a good questioning point. If anybody has any questions about the warranty, speak to Tony.
Yeah.
All
the cars are sold via him. Oh, and David at Bimmer
And
Deals.
Dave Bimmer Deals,
Sorry,
yeah.
This is actually Dave's company car.
Oh, Dave.
It's a lucky one, isn't it? Yeah.
He is.
He collects it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's good.
So I get to drive it first.
Yeah. So this now is going to disappear from here and is going down to Chiswick, isn't it? Because there's a gas station meet tomorrow. It's where it's making its debut.
Yep, that's correct.
And we think there's going to be a lot of people there.
A lot of people.
Which is great. It's great for this kind of stuff, isn't it?
Exactly. You know, as much exposure we can get, the better.
Yeah.
And it's nice to sort of shout out about it. But we need to tease people. We are doing a mini as well.
Oh.
So, yeah, that's all I can really say.
Yeah, no, well, I don't expect you to say anything else. Let me know when it's available to film.
Yes.
Happy days. But no, I mean, mate, honestly, first impressions of this car, stunning. And it's the same engine as the M140, isn't it?
Yeah,
Which...
so 340 horsepower.
Yeah.
Box, you know, there's still much things to do on them. The biggest problem is we can't go wild on this. One's not got carbon diffusers. You could have really gone to town onto it.
Yeah.
But it's cost. We're trying to keep these really hard to keep them under the £40,000.
Yeah. Which for those who don't know, it means the road tax is stupidly high if it goes over 40 grand. It's a 40 grand, yeah.
Yeah.
Mate, that looks very impressive. But I've just seen. Hello.
Yeah.
Talk to me. What is this?
So we've done. This is kind of a 27.
Yeah.
29 have been sold, with potential a lot more coming soon.
Yeah.
So this one's going back to the dealer on Monday.
Yeah.
So this one gets picked up Monday. They get loaded to us, but this customer wanted that little bit more. So we can tailor certain things into it.
Yeah.
This customer went for the carbon canard pack.
Yeah.
Carbon windows.
Very nice.
A very lovely carbon diffuser with an AC Snitzer spoiler.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, so this is what you were saying to me upstairs in the office. That looks nice. Mate, look at that.
So yeah, no splitter on this one yet, no exhaust. We've got a
Nothing.
few more bits to do to it.
Work in progress.
Yeah.
But those two, incredible. Mate, oh, let's turn around.
Which way do you want me? We're dancing?
Yeah, we're no, it's just because of the sun.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the problem, isn't it? Sun glare. What are you laughing at?
One is left out.
YouTube live. No, what I want to say is obviously everything that I've talked about in this video, there'll be links to the description for Motech's website, Motech's YouTube channel, and anything else. If you have any questions, please give these guys a call because they definitely know their stuff. They're great at what they do. And yeah, and obviously they do stuff for my car, which is fantastic. So any A45 owners, get in contact with Mike. Any final thoughts?
You should buy 2 series.
The trolling begins, doesn't it? This isn't going to end.
No, it's not.
Everyone's going to force me into BMW, but no, guys, Mike, thank you so much for having me down, as always.
Welcome.
It's been a pleasure. Guys, make sure to check them out. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and of course I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. What is going on? There's the outtake.
So it's got the full gloss black body, carbon spot. It's got the full gloss black, yeah, exactly. Can you put that in the B-roll?
Yeah, we'll put that in the outtakes, mate.
Cheers,
So
mate.
start that one again. Go for it. Any final thoughts?
No, let's go see how your car's going on.
Yeah, we will. Yeah. That's a separate video.
Damn it. Any
That's
final
all
thoughts?
Hang on, let's do that
buy
again.
2 series.
Hang on. Let's ask that again. Okay, there we go. Ready?
Yeah.